Seamlessly switch between your devices with Easy Switch, now available with the Actions ring. First, download or update to the latest version of Options Plus. Next, open Options Plus and select Actions ring from the top menu. Simply drag the Easy Switch action into one of the bubbles on your Actions ring. Choose the device and channel you want to use for effortless switching between your connected setups. You can assign Actions ring to any MX mouse or keyboard, making it easy to switch between your laptop, desktop, and tablet. Experience a smarter way to use Easy Switch directly from your Actions ring.